Regulation mandates that all brokers need to maintain adequate financial resources to meet their business commitment and withstand risk as a result of its business. Currently, compliance officers receive their daily CAPAD figures from the JSE in text files, which offer very little flexibility and contain a lot of data in a flat format. The market regulation team have updated their internal application and are now making it available to brokers to view data in an interactive online format. This tutorial will focus on how to get access and login, as well as general navigation and usage of the application. To access the CAPAD web, type https://capad.jse.co.za into your browser and the login page will display. Users who have access to the current CAPAD returns page will by default also have access to the new CAPAD web. Users who have not accessed CAPAD returns before can send an email to customersupport@jse.co.za. Use the same username and password to log into the new application. The first screen you will see after login is the menu page. Click on the Capital Requirements menu item. The Capital Requirements Surplus Shortfall screen that shows the overall capital surplus shortfall will display. This number will be the total CAPAD surplus or shortfall for the date listed in the column header. By default, this will be the previous business day. The second column will show the figures as at 2 business days ago. To change these dates, you can change the dates in the 2 input boxes at the top of the screen. Date as at 1 will show data in the first column. This column enables you to drill down to detail. Date as at 2 will show data in the second column. However, you cannot drill down into this data. You will notice that the figure in the first column is blue. To see how a figure has been calculated, click on this blue number. It will automatically open a new tab with more detail on how this figure was calculated. A blue number always means that you can drill down into more detail. For the majority of the calculations, you are able to drill down to the level where you can see the list of accounts that are included in the calculations. Where applicable, you will also be able to see the specific deals in the accounts that were included in the calculations. Next to certain line items, you will notice a question mark. These are help icons to explain calculations or provide specific information relevant to this line item. This icon is also available at the top of the page. This help icon will open up a help page with information relevant to the specific screen you are looking at. When you have opened a help screen, you are able to navigate into other sections of the help screen. Once you have clicked on the link, a panel will be added to the left-hand side of the help pop-up screen. The full navigation menu is displayed on the left, and you can expand and click on the relevant items to view further help. To close the help page, click on the X in the top right-hand corner, or click outside the window. To return to the main menu, click on the Home icon in the top right corner of the page. Select the Capital Adequacy option from the menu. The help pages can also be accessed from the main menu page. The help page will display with topics on the left that can be expanded. To return to the main menu page, close the help page and click on the Home icon as previously explained. To view the Position Risk Summary page, select the Capital Requirements option on the main menu. The Surplus Shortfall screen will again be displayed. After selecting the client, the Capital Requirements Summary screen will be displayed, and you can select the position risk amount to drill down further. On some screens you will find an icon that enables you to expand or collapse information. By expanding this icon, you will be able to see more information about how a value is made up. If you would like to collapse the information again to only see the summary detail, click on the expand icon to display less information. Brokers can export the information they see on any screen by clicking on the Excel icon. At the bottom left of the screen, you will have different options of what you can do with the file that you've exported into Excel. Select the Open option. A message will be displayed. Again, select the Yes option. The data exported in Excel will be displayed. Save the Excel spreadsheet on your desktop for use later. After you have closed the Excel spreadsheet, you will see the Capital Requirements Summary screen. You will be able to view trends of each risk type over a specific time period to see how the risk moves. There are two options to view the CAPAD trends. Firstly, you can click on the graph icon in the right column of the table. The second option is to select the graph icon at the top of the page. If you selected the graph icon in the table, the CAPAD trending landing page will display. You insert your input parameters in the input boxes at the top of the page and select Update. The trend of each risk type for the specified time period will display by default in a line graph. At the bottom of the screen, the legend for each risk type will display. If you want to view the data in different types of graphs, you can select the applicable graph icon at the top. If you select the column graph icon, the data will be displayed in column format. If you select the tabular format icon, the underlying data will be displayed in tabular format. To view the main menu page, click on the home icon as previously explained, or select one of the open tabs at the top. Some pages contain a lot of data and have been split over multiple pages. At the bottom of the page, there are navigation icons to browse through the pages. Clicking on a number will take you the specific page number. Notice how page number 3 is now circled. Clicking on this arrow will take you to the next or previous page. Clicking on this arrow will take you to the last or the first page. You can also increase the number of records by increasing the items per page. In the drop-down, you can see how many records exists in the results set, and also where in the list you are, by looking at the number of items in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On this screen there are 230 records, and we are currently seeing records 1 to 50. Pages that contain a lot of data have filtering and sorting functionality built in. To sort data, click on the column name. An arrow will appear underneath the column to show the sorting. To change the direction of the sorting, click on the column again. To remove the sorting, click on the column a third time. Data can also be filtered by clicking on the filter icon. Users can filter for specific data by clicking on the drop-down, selecting an operand, and typing in a value. In this example, all instruments that start with AN are showing. To remove a filter, click on the Clear button. To learn more about filtering, refer to the online help. We hope you enjoy the look and feel of the new CAPAD application. For any further inquiries, you are welcome to contact the Capital Adequacy team.